This video is for that store owners who have stores in multiple locations. So you can check my video. Here I will describe that how to transfer your inventory from one store to another store and keep track of this in the Shopify. To create inventory transfer, at first go to your product, then click transfers. But I want to again remind you that this will work if you have multiple locations. I mean the stores you have multiple locations, and you can add multiple another store location from here. From here you can add location. So I have a video for this. I will add this in the description. So come back to transfer, and here click transfer, then click here. Let me show you that what are here. This is for from where origin is, means that where the product will be transferred from. I mean the store location from where the inventory will be moved, and this is the destination store where the inventory will be moved to. So and this is the add products. Here we can add products. So I'm clicking browse, and here click here several options. You can filter out the products from them. So I'm clicking all products. So here it's showing my product list. This is a single product, and this is a product with multiple variants. So I'm clicking this product and click this variant and click add to transfer. Perfect. Then I'm selecting the default store location, that is shop location, and here I select another store location, that is the Thread Innovations New Jersey store location. Perfect. Then come here. I'm expecting that when the estimate arrival date, so for example the arrival date will be 7. I mean it will take around 2 days. And shipping carrier, we can fill up the shipping carrier and other information here, tracking number, tracking URL, etc. information we can add it here. So after that just click save as draft. Perfect. So now we can add comments here, or tracking URL number, URL or other things we can add also here. So before mark as pending, be confirmed that everything is right properly and select properly. Then click mark as pending. Okay. Okay, so I'm clicking mark as pending. Perfect. Okay, so now it's moving. It's showing the details. We can write the comment only during this time. You can also edit the quantity of the product. For example, here I'm selecting 10 items, and here 5 items. Okay, so here also it's showing that available, from the available it will remove another extra 9 item and another from 4 items from here. So it's showing because that we already from when we create the transfer, then we added 1 items for each product, but on that time it's removed 1 items from our stores from the availability. And when we increase the amount, then it's showing the extra amount. For example, in that case 9 items will be removed from this store location, and at the same time here 4 items will be removed from this store location. Well, so I'm clicking save. Perfect. So here 10 and 5 items will be moved from this shop location to here. And you can also see that in your product. Click on the product. So here you can see that in this shop location currently is only 20 available products, which was 30 before. And if we go here in the incoming request, so here you can see that in shop location there is no incoming because we are not moving here, we are moving to New Jersey location. So here it's showing 10 incoming product is coming here. This product is coming here, right? And also it's showing the transfers ID. So come back here. Now when the product received on your New Jersey location, for example. So you can click receive inventory. Perfect. So here there are two options. For example, among the 10 product, you get the 8 products intact. I mean, they are okay, but 2 products are damaged, so you reject them to accept. Perfect. And here you get the 5 products and they are properly okay. So actually there are total 15 products. Here we are accepting 8 products, they are okay, and 2 products we did not accept because they are damaged, so they will not be added in the inventory. And there are 5 products which are accepted and there is no rejected products. Perfect. So now click save. Perfect. So our inventory transfer has been completed, and you can see also a automated log here. Perfect. So now if we come back here, so you can see that the inventory has been received. Perfect. Now inside here, if we refresh it, so here you can see now that in the shop location 20 is available. This is the default shop location, and this is the New Jersey shop location. Here 8 product is available. Perfect. So this way you can easily understand that how it works, and I hope you understand easily that how to move your inventory from one store location to another store location. If you have any question, you can let me know. If you need any support to build your Shopify store or any consultancy, please feel free to contact us.